Here is the location of where I'm going to be building a new dock. Need to get it put up before we get any more rain. Otherwise this little lake's going to be filled up too much. Frozen right now. How cold it is out here. It's been very cold lately, so the ground where I'm digging this is going to be frozen solid. So that's going to be fun, but we'll get to it, see what we can do. Well, that is kicking my butt. I know that seemed pretty quick to y'all. It's a time-lapse video. But that was probably a good solid hour and a half working on those 4 holes. Only got 3 of them done. 4th one I'm barely starting on. It is difficult breaking through that ground. But I'm just taking a little breather, having a snack. About to get back to work. This is the last hole I'm digging today, and I want you to see in real time, not time lapse, just how big of a pain this is. Let me see. You need to know what I'm going through. I don't know if you can tell from over here just how little I'm getting done. That's what I got. That's what we got. All right, I can do the post hole diggers now. There you go. Easy as that. What'd that take, like 2 minutes? More like 30. Let me show you my equipment. It's pretty nice. That's what I use. It's my tripod. It's actually a nice little tripod I had from a long time ago, but that's what I have to put my phone on. Pretty cool. screwed up. I won't give you all the details, but bottom line is I measured from the wrong spot when marking these posts, and 2 of them are 1 foot off of where they need to be, which means I have to redig those holes that were so much fun to dig, 2 of them. And 1 of the posts is already fully set in concrete, so I got to get that out somehow. This is going to be fun. It's the next morning. I'm pretty sore, I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot colder today. It's gonna stink, but I'll be alright. I'm going to get to work. Now I'm gonna shoot a laser line, get a level mark, figure out where the top of these posts need to go, cut them all, and then notch them for the beams. So I'm gonna work on that now. So now I've got some 2x10 beams, double it up, going across each set of posts. Alright, all the posts are notched. I'm covered in sawdust, but that's what we're going for. So now we can install these beams. just in time. I was at the point where I needed the 2x8s, and they are on this load right here. Literally right when I needed them, they showed up. So perfect timing. We can keep going. I'm using these to put down on these beams like that. Nail them in. Joist will set right in there. Do another one on that side. Got all my joist locations marked out. 16 inches on center, all the way down. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, and then we'll do joists. Put these 2 nails in at angles, opposite angles. That'll help it keep from ever pulling up. That's one. Okay, it's a new day. I'm back again. And we're probably gonna put in a long day today, see what we can get done. Here's what we got so far. Next steps, I'm going to put blocking in the middle of all these joists. I'm gonna put joist hangers on this end here, and then I'm gonna start decking it. The reason we got this like this here in the middle, there's gonna be one deck board running that direction. That's spaced so that it'll sit right on that joint going down, and then the rest of the decking will run this direction and will butt up into that board right there. So we're gonna get to work, see what we can get done. I got all of the joist hangers on, all the way down. All the blocking is on. and we're going to start throwing the decking on now. The reason I'm not doing this walkway yet is because I did not want to mess with these holes yet. Ground's been frozen solid, but today it's getting up into the 50s, so it should thaw out a little, and maybe this afternoon or tomorrow we'll start digging them holes and get this runway framed up and get this whole thing finished. All right, well, it is now 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The ground has softened up quite a bit. So I think I'm gonna take a break from the decking for now, and I'm going to dig these last 2 post holes, frame up this runway, get that done, and that way all I'll have left tomorrow is just finish the decking and be done. So that's what I'm gonna work on, and here we go. All right, day number 4 out here, and got an early issue. The ground has now officially thawed up enough that I can no longer get my truck down to the dock. Still have quite a few deck boards I have to haul down here, all my tools, and then all the scrap and stuff I gotta haul back up out of here, and I'm gonna be having to do that by hand now. So that's gonna add some time and make this a little more fun, but it's what we got, so it's what we'll do. But in the meantime, I got to finish decking this thing out, and then we'll get to the hard stuff.